Base HM from Charlie. I'm gonna show the proper handling of knife and sharpening and also the different types of cut. So as for now, we have a knife chopping board, sharpening stone, and a vegetable. First, we will sharpen the knife using the sharpening stone until it's sharpener. First, we need a sharpening stone and we are going to do is 10 to 20 strokes side by side. And after sharpening our knife, then we will proceed by cutting the vegetable to describe to you two different types of cuts because we have a lot types of cut. We will only choose 4. Potato, I will cut into Brunoise cut. And the second one is onion. We will going to mince. Third one is carrot. We cut into Turner cut. And the fourth one is bell pepper. We will cut into julienne. The next is parsley. We will cut into shelf fold. And the next is carrot. We will cut into paisan. One is potato to small dice.